Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we will do a quick demo on GridMate Config Checker. The GridMate's Config Checker simplifies the verification of errors such as missing or incorrect configurations, making it much easier than the Lightning page on the app builder, which doesn't effectively show errors. For that, click the gear icon and edit the Lightning page on the app builder. Select the grid. Scroll down until you see the enabled config checker. Click Save. And click Back. Now you will see the config checker action appears on the grid. Click Start. This feature checks all of the errors such as missing or incorrect configurations for this grid and displays the result, indicating whether it's correct or not. As evident here, we have two errors, precisely concerning the hidden columns and custom icon configurations. From here, you can expand and collapse the error messages as needed. And from here we can copy the result. You can see more details about the errors. For example, you can view the property, the value, and the associated error. And from here, you can filter by failed or passed. From here, you can view a single error message. Click the gear icon and edit the Lightning page on the app builder. Let's correct the errors. Click Save. And click Back. Let's check the configuration again. The config check passed without any errors. Thank you for watching.